Welcome, my friends. Today marks the beginning of an extraordinary adventure, one that we will embark on together. This journey is not just about reaching a destination, but about the experiences, the growth, and the connections we make along the way. We are on an incredible journey together. Picture yourself hiking up a mountain, each step bringing you closer to the summit. Or imagine a road trip with friends, the open road ahead and endless possibilities. These moments of exploration and discovery are what make our journey so special. A journey of growth, of self-discovery, of unlocking the incredible potential within each and every one of us. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or simply taking a moment to reflect, we are constantly learning and evolving. Each day presents a new opportunity to understand ourselves better and to harness our inner strength. Remember, you are not alone on this path. We are surrounded by friends, family, and a community that supports us. The bonds we share with others give us the courage to face challenges and the joy to celebrate our successes. Together, we are stronger. We are a community, bound by the shared desire to become the best versions of ourselves. In this community, we lift each other up, we share our knowledge, and we inspire one another. Our collective energy and enthusiasm create a powerful force that propels us forward. Let's support each other, uplift each other, and celebrate our collective journey towards greatness. Every achievement, no matter how small, is a step towards our ultimate goals. By cheering each other on, we create a positive and motivating environment where everyone can thrive. This is a safe space to learn, to grow, and to transform. In workshops, seminars, and support groups, we find the tools and resources we need to succeed. We share our experiences, learn from each other, and build the confidence to take on new challenges. We all have dreams, aspirations, and goals that may feel out of reach. But when we take the time to visualize our dreams and set clear intentions, we bring them closer to reality. Whether it's through creating a vision board or simply contemplating our future, we are actively shaping our destiny. But I'm here to tell you that anything is possible. With determination, perseverance, and the right mindset, we can overcome any obstacle. Just like a motivational speaker who inspires us with their words, or a climber who reaches the peak of a mountain, we too can achieve greatness. The power to achieve your dreams lies within you. Every milestone you reach, every finish line you cross, is a testament to your strength and resilience. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and you will find that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. It's time to unleash that power and create the life you've always imagined. Embrace the journey, cherish the moments, and never stop striving for your dreams. Together, we will make this journey unforgettable. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This ancient proverb holds a timeless truth. Every grand adventure, every significant achievement, starts with that initial, often small action. It's the first step that sets the entire journey in motion. Don't let the enormity of your goals paralyze you. When faced with a daunting task, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. The mountain seems too high, the path too long, and the steps too many. But remember, even the tallest mountain is climbed one step at a time. It's easy to get caught up in the pursuit of perfection, to wait for the perfect moment to begin. We often hesitate, thinking we need to have everything figured out before we start. We wait for the stars to align, for the perfect conditions, for the right time. But I'm here to tell you, there is no perfect moment. Time waits for no one, and the perfect moment is a myth. The calendar will keep turning, the clock will keep ticking, and if we keep waiting, we might miss our chance. The time to start is now. Embrace the present moment with all its imperfections and uncertainties. Take that first step, however small it may seem. It's the act of starting that matters most. Take that first step, however small it may seem. Write that first page, even if it's just a rough draft. The act of writing will bring clarity and direction. Each word you write is a step forward. Make that first phone call, even if you're nervous. Reaching out and making connections can open doors you never imagined. It's the first call that breaks the ice and sets things in motion. Take that first step outside your comfort zone. Try something new, even if it scares you. Growth happens when we push our boundaries and challenge ourselves. Each new experience is a step towards personal growth. Every journey starts with a single step, and the momentum you gain from that first step will propel you forward. The first step creates a ripple effect, leading to more steps, more progress, and eventually, the achievement of your goals. Remember, Progress, not perfection, is the goal. Celebrate each step you take, no matter how small. Each step is a victory, a testament to your courage and determination. Keep moving forward one step at a time. Small, consistent actions repeated day after day create extraordinary results. It's not about giant leaps or overnight successes. It's about showing up for yourself, even when it's hard, even when you don't feel like it. Consistency is the bridge between setting a goal and achieving it. Think of it like building a muscle. You don't get a six-pack overnight. It takes dedication, discipline, and consistent effort. The same goes for achieving your dreams. Make a plan, break it down into small, manageable steps, and show up consistently. Fear is a natural part of life. It's something we all experience, no matter who we are or where we come from. Fear can manifest in many forms: fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of rejection. It's our brain's way of protecting us from harm, a survival mechanism that has kept humans safe for millennia. But while fear can be a protective shield, it can also be a barrier that holds us back. It can prevent us from taking risks, from stepping out of our comfort zones, and from pursuing our dreams. Fear can make us hesitate, second-guess ourselves, and miss out on opportunities that could lead to growth and fulfillment. Imagine standing at a crossroads, unsure of which path to take. Fear can make us choose the safer, more familiar route, even if it means missing out on new experiences and adventures. But what if we chose to face our fears head-on? What if we decided to take that leap of faith, to embrace the uncertainty and see where it leads us? Don't let fear dictate your decisions. Instead, use it as a guide. Acknowledge your fears, but don't let them paralyze you. Recognize that fear is a natural response, but it doesn't have to control your actions. You have the power to choose how you respond to fear. Take a deep breath and face your fears with courage. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the triumph over it. It's about taking that first step, even when you're scared. It's about pushing through the discomfort and trusting that you have the strength to overcome whatever challenges come your way. Each time you confront your fears, you build resilience and confidence. You prove to yourself that you are capable of more than you ever imagined. You learn and grow from each experience, becoming stronger and more self-assured. Step outside your comfort zone. Challenge yourself to do something that scares you, something you never thought you could do. It could be as simple as speaking up in a meeting, trying a new hobby, or traveling to a new place. Whatever it is, take that step and see where it leads you. Embrace the unknown and the possibilities it holds. When you push past your fears, you open yourself up to new opportunities and experiences. You discover strengths and abilities you never knew you had. You become more adaptable, more resilient, and more confident in your ability to handle whatever comes your way. Celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step you take towards conquering your fears is a step towards personal growth and freedom. You'll be amazed at the strength you discover within yourself and the sense of accomplishment that comes with overcoming your fears. Remember, on the other side of fear lies incredible growth and freedom. Embrace your fears, face them with courage, and watch as you transform into the best version of yourself. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. So take that first step today. Conquer your fears and unlock the limitless potential within you. The world is waiting for you to shine. Section 5. Mindset is everything. Your mindset is your most powerful tool. What you believe, you become. If you believe you can achieve your goals, you're already halfway there. Cultivate a positive mindset, one that focuses on solutions, not problems. Challenge negative thoughts and replace them with empowering affirmations. Your thoughts shape your reality. Choose thoughts that empower you, that uplift you, that propel you towards your goals. Surround yourself with positivity, with people who believe in you and your dreams. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Section 6. Strength in unity. We are not meant to go through this journey alone. We are social creatures, wired for connection and support. Surround yourself with a community of like-minded individuals, people who will cheer you on, hold you accountable, and support you through the ups and downs. Remember, vulnerability is not weakness, it's strength. It takes courage to ask for help, to admit when you're struggling. Reach out to your support system, to your mentors, to your community. Together we are stronger. Section 7. Embrace the winds of change. Change is an inevitable part of life. It can be scary, it can be uncomfortable, but it's also an opportunity for growth. Embrace change as a chance to learn, to adapt, to become more resilient. Don't resist change, flow with it. See it as an adventure, a chance to discover new possibilities. Remember, the only constant in life is change. Embrace it, learn from it, and allow it to transform you. Section 8. Unleash your potential. You are capable of achieving incredible things. You have within you the power to create the life you've always dreamed of. Believe in yourself, believe in your dreams, and never give up. This is your time to shine. This is your time to step into your power and unleash your full potential. The world is waiting for your unique gifts and talents. Don't hold back, don't play small. Step into your greatness and let your light shine. Section 9. Join the movement. Now that you're ready to unlock your potential, share this message with the world. Let's create a ripple effect of positivity, of empowerment, of people supporting each other on their journeys to greatness. Together, we can create a world where everyone feels empowered to pursue their dreams, where everyone believes in their potential. Share this message with your friends, your family, your community. Let's create a movement of positive change, one person, one dream, one step at a time.